Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and log in right there in your Splitwise app right there. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, tap on this our Splitwise app over there. We're going to skip all of the steps and we're going to go ahead first, go to our account section, and we're going to log out first. Once we're done logging out, we're going to tap on this login option right over there. We're going to add our email. Once we're done entering our email address, we're going to go to our password section, enter our password. So once we're done entering our password, we can simply tap on this login and we're inside our app over there. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, if you got more concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.